hapunan po tayo ngayon. Ang ating hapunan is dahon-dahon. Ayan, mga gulay-gulay po ang ating hapunan today. May hapunan today, guys. Don't eat rice because Inday is diet. This is the dressing of our vegetable salads. Ayan, no? I don't know kung it is yummy. Oh, my gulay. Ayan, no? Kaina na. Inday is kain na. Late na po ang aking hapunan, guys, because of the gravity. Bibi Yumi had lots of assignment. Oh, nakita niyo ba? Ayan ang pagkain ni Inday. Yan po ang hapunan ni Inday. This is the dinner of Inday Merle's Cute ng Balaga Bukol. Ayan. Okay, dinner time na tayo. No lipstick. Okay. Iwan ko masa anong lasa. Ang dahon man to, guys. Oy.
It's healthy meal. Ganyan yung kinakain sa ibang bansa eh. Di uso kanin.
Kubel maasim. Siguro yung gamit mustard. Damo-damo. I love that fish, guys. Pag ganito kasi, guys, pag ako gumawa ng dressing, masarap. Kasi I use Nestle cream. Ayan, kain-kain, no? Yummy. I didn't like mustard, guys, but because mustard is very sour. Masarap nito, guys, Nestle cream. I don't like mustard. That's why I don't eat burger in the McDonald's because I hate the mustard. Agad sumaasim. But no choice. We need to eat this one. This is my dinner. I love to eat like this one. It's like a Caesar salad. Maasim. So very maasim. I hate talaga mustard. But no choice because the sauce is mustard. Maasim. Don't like maasim. Yeah. Ilasahan mo yung mustard. I love the leaves, the vegetable, but the mustard is very maasim, guys. My God. Kasi if I eat ganito, I put lang, Nestle cream. I love Nestle cream. I don't like, malalasahan mo talaga yung mustard, guys. Masarap sana yung gulay. Maakim ba? That's why I don't eat burger in the McDonald's because of the mustard. I love to eat burger in the Jollibee. Very kung sumuka. Dapat pala hindi ko na binuhos lahat, no? But finish eating. I like to eat like this, but I don't like the mustard. I hate the mustard. Oh my God, I hate the mustard so much. It is so very maasim talaga. Dahil. Yeah. So very sour. Wala na. So, that's my dinner tonight. Eating vegetable salads. Ano bang tawag yun sa na yan? Yung ginagawang coleslaw. Masarap ang coleslaw, guys. I love also coleslaw, guys. Why I know coleslaw? Because when I was working in restaurant, I am the one who makes the coleslaw. So, hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye! Wala kasi akong upload. So, bye-bye. Big love and shout out everyone. This is your friend and I'm Marskit ng Balagabol. Sige na, bye-bye na. Ay, mamusog din ako. Teka, water mo na pala tayo. Ayaw ko talaga yung lasa ng mustard. So, bye-bye!